Hello, hi, it's Liz here, and Monday comes around again and it's the Margarete Miller collage assignments, and we have our book out and it's week 41. So the prompts for this week are a tool, a doll or a toy, something cold, a playing card either side, sheet music, and the bonus is security envelope design. So let's just use these because the book has become quite unruly with the pages staying down because we're only, I think, 2 away from the end of the book, and then we'll need to have a think. Okay, so I'm going to use the bonus this week because I'm not going to do something cold. So the bonus is a security envelope design, and I have a little piece of security envelope here. Sheet music, I have sheet music, quite self-explanatory there. Okay, a playing card. I have this vintage playing card from a kiddie's donkey set. I thought he was quite fun, so we're just going to use him. And then it's all going to become a little bit dark this week, so prepare yourself for something a little bit different, because here we have the doll or the toy, and it's both a doll and a toy, and I have a tool, which is this big hook on a chain. And what I'm going to do, because the donkey is an evil donkey and he's hooked up this poor chap onto this contraption, if I can just get him through there, and then we're going to hang him from there on that hook. He doesn't look best pleased, and the donkey is laughing at his plight. I don't know what he did. Maybe he rubbed the donkey up the wrong way. Can you see the look on his face? He's like, oh no, help. Yes, I'm happy with that. So let's get that stuck down. So we'll get the music sheet stuck. I've got my old magazine here. I'll just move that to the side a little bit and we'll get sticking. I don't think it matters which side we stick. I've got a glue stick here. So yes, there's only, I think, two weeks left in this book, maybe 3, not sure. But I've got a book that's exactly the same, but that means there's only going to be, well, about 10 weeks, less than 10, maybe 8 weeks in it. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether just to make a book for the last 8 weeks or whether to start the new, I don't know. I have to have a think about what we might do for the last 8 weeks or so. Right, let's see which one needs to be stuck down first. I think the donkey, and we want him to be a bit low so that his eyes are making contact with the evil donkey. So about there. Right, so let's, whoops, get the donkey down over a bit, I think. think let's see the top of that sticky and it's sticking about there. I've got my, let's give this a wee rub in. There we are. And this is going about there, and I'll just stick all that down at the one time, I think, rather than try and leave a bit loose and then have to get him. And I think I'm going to have to chop a bit of the tool, the contraption off. Maybe put the donkey a little bit too high. We can just pull him down a bit. There we are, that's better, because I want him staring at the donkey. That's it. Right, let's see if we can get this gently glued. I want to get him in the right place so that he's looking at the evil donkey, but I still want to get quite a lot of my tool, and I want that to be straight. That's it, I think. And then we'll just trim along. Get that off. That's fine. What do you think? So we've got our tool, we've got our toy, we've got a playing card, we've got our sheet music and our security envelope. Oh, I hope somebody comes and rescues him from the evil donkey. Okay then, so thanks for joining me today, and if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.